the Everything Bagel Casserole.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, you're going to need 4 Everything Bagels to make this, and you're going to cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Now I don't know if the Everything Bagel is an international thing or if it's just a North American thing, but basically an Everything Bagel is a bagel that's topped with poppy seeds, dried onion, sesame seeds, and garlic. And it's kind of like a savory kind of a bagel. Once those are cut up, you're going to forget to turn your camera on, grease a 9x13-inch baking dish, and then put half of the bagels on the bottom, and then you're going to put 1 1/4 cups of cheddar cheese sprinkled on top of that, followed by 1 1/4 cup of halved cherry tomatoes, approximately. You can put more or less depending on your tastes. You can alter any ingredient in this particular casserole. Then you're going to add in 4 ounces of cream cheese that's been chilled and cut into small cubes, and then you'll have a thinly sliced red onion. You'll put about half of that on top, followed by the second half of the ingredients. And you're just going to layer them all over again. The bagel, the cherries, the cream cheese, and the onions. Then you have 8 eggs in a bowl. To this you'll add 2 1/2 cups of milk, as well as 2 chopped up green onions. And then just stir that together well until the eggs are well beaten. And then pour the egg and mixture on top of the casserole and just try to drizzle it evenly so that every single piece gets a little bit of the egg and milk on top of it. Then you'll sprinkle with a teaspoon of coarse salt, a teaspoon of poppy seeds, a teaspoon of minced onion, a teaspoon of sesame seeds, and a teaspoon of dried garlic. If you don't have dried garlic, you can just sprinkle on some fresh chopped garlic. Then you're going to cover this with aluminum foil and bake it at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Then you're going to remove the foil and bake until it's golden and cooked, about another 25 minutes more. Then when it comes out of the oven, just let it sit for about 20-25 minutes. It'll just be a lot easier to slice. And there it is. The colors in this are really nice. It's a very, very attractive looking casserole. It tastes great. You have the egg that kind of goes into all the bagel pieces, soaks in nicely, and then bakes up like a quiche. So it's really good. The flavors are awesome. The only thing I would change is I would add about a teaspoon and a half of salt to the egg mixture, because I found that you needed to add salt to this when you were eating it. This could be easily made ahead. All you'd have to do is pour the eggs on it, cover it up, let it sit in the fridge overnight, and pop it in the oven. You might just have to add a few minutes to the cooking time to heat it up, and that's it. I have a breakfast playlist where I have a whole bunch of really great egg-based kind of recipes that you may want to try, so check it out. Thanks for watching.